Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, a new video. Today we are going to be fitting a lock and fuel cap. Obviously that's your full cap and your adapter ring and two screws that with the ring on. So let's get into it. What we've got to do is remove the original filler cap. As you can see on this one here, you've got some lugs. You've got some lugs there. So you literally line up the lugs like so. And then all you got to do is give it a partial twist, and that locks it. Then see these two screw holes here? All you got to do is put screws in there, so I'm going to do that now. As you can see, the two screws are now screwed in, so that's not going to go anywhere. So as you can see, you haven't got to do any drilling. It's literally just two screws that hold it down, stops it from coming out. And then all we got to do is put the new cap on and lock it. So let's do that now. Right. There's the keys. So all we're doing, so that breaks it. So it's literally let me sort this out and I'll come back. So there you go, all fitted. Obviously that's now in the locked position. To unlock, you just turn left and that will come out. So yeah, nice little 5, possibly 10-minute job. A little bit fiddly trying to get the cap on to sit, you know, because it's all new, and then trying to get it locked, but it's all sorted now, so cool. Ages ago I bought a little extendable bonnet thing, and I had a little thing on the end which come out. Well, I've just used the key ring for the fuel filler lock, because I put the keys on the main ring now, and it will literally do it done lovely. So I hope you enjoyed that little video. Don't forget to follow me in on my socials: Instagram VKT193J, Facebook page Mike's Rambles with Lucy Divorce Minor. Send me a request and I'll add you to the page. You can check out a restoration from 2018 up to now. And if you've got YouTube, which most people have, it's Mike's Rambles with Lucy Divorce Minor. Pop a subscribe on there, check out all my other videos. There's all sorts on the car shows, drives and how-to videos as well. So if you like what you see, give that a subscribe. And yeah, I'm about to do some servicing, but servicing's also been done to death on YouTube, so I'm just going to crack on and get that done. But I'll put some pictures on the page on Facebook just of today's jobs. Probably take her out for a test run once I've actually done the servicing. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. See you later. Bye bye.